Alright guys, so here she is, straight from Roxton in United Kingdom. It was shipped by Joanne Williams. Joanne of the UK. Some originals, first time cutting this. Shipped it on Monday from overseas. I got it here on Friday via UPS, which I went in on them. Sorry ass driver, dropping shit off at the first place they see. Well, it's 101. Technically it's the right place. Man, stop being lazy. Old girl was cool. She probably was like, who the hell is my door? Sir, man, I'm sorry. I just need to get my shit. So I'm gonna show y'all this. Tightly packed in here. Alright, so I got this is my invoice. Everything they threw something in here. Looks like a lanyard. Black Widow exhaust or Black Widow performance lanyard. What else I got here? And of course, stickers. Gotta have stickers. Those what the middle comes in this thing. It's numbered, so we're gonna make sure it goes up back in the numbers. It's gonna probably be crucial for the instructions. It's got that silky like foam. It's pretty dense. That's the weld. Okay, these number on the actual. That's a nice weld. I see that. That's a pretty nice weld. This should be a header. Yep, it's a header. So it's number 4. That's the weld. I got a tack weld right here. Where the spring's gonna go. It's a decent weight. Some decent weight on that. So that's the header number 4. This is a link pipe. Okay, so this is the looks like this is the end that comes from underneath the exhaust to the back, just based on that band. There's some other hardware probably in here. But yeah, based off that opening, on the size of that, this probably comes underneath from where the exhaust comes from, underneath the bike, and out. This is another header. This is number 1. So I got 1, 4. What number is this? 2, 3. This should be the merge points, the Y pipes, so B and okay, cool. This is a Y pipe. Here it is. Here go both of them. A and B, the Y pipes. And merge the 4 into 1. They give you some exhaust assembly paste. Nice. So it comes with that. What we got here. So these are the exhaust gases that they have. I'll do a separate video and compare these to the ones that OEM. And of course your springs. They got Black Widow on there. You can barely see it. Black Widow on the rubber. Let's see if we can get you a better look. There you go. This is a link pipe. Okay, this comes down to the 2. The 2 going to this one. This one goes. Okay, so the larger piece, yeah. Yep, I see it now. So link pipe, this opening, and this opening come together. Boom, underneath. Similar to what you would have if you had the cat. This is where the cat would be at. And this is the can. We want to keep our box for a while. In this case, that neighbor decides to get funny style with me. And show, hey, look, this is my shit. Alright, so this is what's going to hold the can in place. It's got the rubber insert on it, so it doesn't get scratched up. Pretty sure you can use this to surround the middle. Yep, you can do that. So basically you can adjust it the way you need to. If you got to trim some off, you can trim some off. Try it once so you can see better. There's another band. Edge is kind of sharp. I wish it was kind of bead rolled. It's a little sharp, but it's angled. It's kind of, you can see it. It's kind of raised a little bit. Allow clearance. Oh yeah. It protects the face. Here it is. Yeah, I want to be careful with that one, for sure. Got the foam around it. So this is kind of heavy. It's got a little bit of weight to it. Mind you, I didn't buy this for the ultimate, lightness, anything like that. It's just a complete exhaust replacement. Get that the scavenge effect of a full exhaust that Hondas tend to love. And that's the blue tip, which looks super nice. This looks better than I thought it was gonna look in person. You set the carbon fiber. Weave is textured, you can feel it. So it's like minimal resin on it. It's like just enough resin. Uniform Black Widow. And it does have that in there. Y'all know it's not gonna stay in there. But we're gonna leave it in there for the purpose of content. This is Black Widow. And then boom, that's how you take it off. So yeah, we're gonna do our thing with this, man. So that's the Black Widow exhaust unboxing. I'm gonna read you off which one this is. Grab a paper real quick. And all this plastic and double wrap. So this is the CL20R. That's the ID that they use. It's they say 2017, 2019, but it's the Performance DCAT exhaust system, 200 millimeter round blue tip carbon silencer. And so, you see how much it costs. British pounds is like $600 plus the fees for getting it over here. I paid up front, so I can save $12. And that bastard still delivered to the wrong spot. Let me stop, y'all. I can't linger on that, but it's frustrating. It's frustrating. If I know somebody got something like this coming, man. But then, I'm an enthusiast. I'm gonna make sure you get your shit. Like, if I'm delivering, hey, bro. You know what I'm saying? Hey. Hey, bro, what's going on? Hey, man, I'm sorry to bother you, man. But, yo, sauce here. Your titanium's here. Your supercharger. I'm gonna make sure you know your issues here. But then again, it is what it is. So you guys stay tuned. We're gonna go do step by step. Well, not necessarily step by step, but I'm gonna show you the things I encountered during the install that you might need to be aware of. They do say to do a dry install first. Then, if you want to do paste, do that. So we'll probably mock everything up, get it set in right, and then pull out. And if we want to do paste, we'll do it that way. Also, later on, we will go back and wrap the headers with DEI's titanium wrap.